Mineral water, what exactly is it? And is it actually better than regular water? We often reach for mineral water, especially while traveling, thinking it's the safest option. But is that really true? In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of mineral water, what it is, its benefits, potential downsides, and even how you can make it at home. Stick around till the end to find out if mineral water is worth the hype. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is mineral water? Well, mineral water is naturally sourced water that has dissolved minerals and trace elements, which it absorbs as it flows through underground layers of rock and soil. These minerals include calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, bicarbonates, and sulfates. Depending on the source, some mineral waters even contain iron or fluoride, which can contribute to overall health. Unlike regular tap or spring water, mineral water has a specific and stable mineral composition, which is why it is often considered to have added health benefits. Now comes the big question, does mineral water have an edge over regular water? The answer depends on individual health needs and lifestyle choices. Both hydrate the body effectively, but mineral water provides extra nutrients that can be beneficial for certain people. Bone and joint health. Calcium and magnesium are essential for maintaining strong bones and promoting muscle function. Some studies suggest that mineral water can even be a supplementary source of calcium, which is great for those who don't consume enough dairy. Electrolyte balance. Mineral water often contains sodium and potassium, which help maintain electrolyte balance and support nerve function. This is particularly useful after intense workouts or during hot weather when the body loses fluids and electrolytes through sweat. Digestive health. Certain types of mineral water, particularly those rich in bicarbonates, can aid digestion, help neutralize stomach acid, and reduce symptoms of indigestion and heartburn. Skin health. The minerals in mineral water contribute to better skin hydration and nourishment. Some dermatologists even recommend washing your face with mineral water instead of tap water, especially if you have sensitive skin. But before you start stocking up on mineral water, let's discuss the downsides. Because yes, there are a few. Cost. One of the biggest drawbacks of mineral water is the price. It's often significantly more expensive than tap or filtered water, making it less accessible for daily use. High sodium content. Some mineral waters contain high levels of sodium, which may not be suitable for individuals with high blood pressure or cardiovascular issues. Environmental impact. Most mineral water comes in plastic bottles, contributing to environmental waste. Even though some brands offer eco-friendly packaging, the overall carbon footprint of bottled mineral water is much higher than simply drinking filtered tap water. So, while mineral water can be beneficial, its advantages are more relevant for those who need extra minerals in their diet. But what if you want the benefits without the hefty price tag? Well, let's talk about how you can make your own mineral water at home. Want to enjoy mineral-rich water without breaking the bank? Here are some easy and effective methods you can try at home. Mineral drops available in health stores and online. These concentrated drops contain essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Just add a few drops to your filtered water and stir. Himalayan pink salt. A simple and cost-effective method. Himalayan salt contains sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Just add a pinch to a glass of water, stir well, and enjoy. But remember, too much sodium isn't good for you, so use it in moderation. Electrolyte tablets. If you're looking for convenience, electrolyte tablets are a great option. They dissolve in water and provide a balanced mix of essential minerals. Perfect for hydration on the go. Infusing with natural sources. This is another interesting way to mineralize water is by soaking mineral-rich rocks like quartz or basalt in your water for a few hours. Be sure to use food-safe, properly cleaned stones. Boiling with minerals. For those who like a more hands-on approach, you can boil water with natural sources of minerals, like crushed eggshells, a great source of calcium, or a small amount of magnesium-rich Epsom salts. After boiling, strain the water to remove any solids, and it's ready to drink. So, should you make the switch to mineral water? Here's a quick summary to help you decide. If you have a deficiency in calcium, magnesium, or other minerals, mineral water can be a helpful addition to your diet. If you frequently experience digestive issues, bicarbonate-rich mineral water might offer relief. If you are an athlete or someone who sweats a lot, mineral water can help replenish lost electrolytes. However, if you are on a budget, drinking regular filtered water is still a great option. If you have high blood pressure, be cautious about mineral waters with high sodium levels. And if you're concerned about environmental impact, using a home filtration system may be a more sustainable choice. At the end of the day, whether you choose mineral water or regular water, the most important thing is to stay hydrated. Have you tried making your own mineral water at home? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more health insights. Thanks for watching.